In this video, I am fishing at a dock and I'm going to show you how I use a sabiki rig to catch mackerel. A sabiki rig is a rig that you can buy with 6 hooks in it. They're made to look like small shrimp or small fish, which you can jig and it'll bait the mackerel into biting the hooks. In the packet, there's a label that will show you which end of the rig you attach to the rod, the line on your rod, and also which the other end of the rig is where you attach the weight. To use it, you can cast the jig out into the ocean and slowly reel the rig in. Hopefully you'll meet a school of mackerel that you can pull in. You have to be careful that the rig does not get caught in the bottom of the ocean where it could get snagged on seaweed or lobster traps. Another way to use it is to just jig it below where you're fishing. I use that a lot in my kayak. Once you feel a few nibbles, wait a few seconds because when one mackerel is swimming in the ocean, it may be accompanied by by a couple other mackerel, so they may be swimming around in a school, so you'll catch more than one. Because there are 6 hooks on the rig, you can catch 1 mackerel or as many as 6 at a time. It's a lot of fun when you catch 6 of them. Mackerel is a great live bait fish for striped bass. I've caught a lot of striped bass on my kayak using mackerel as bait. On this fishing day, I used my second fishing rod to attach a circle hook to one of the mackerel to use it as live bait. I let the mackerel swim freely in the ocean while I continued to use the sabiki rig to catch more mackerel. On my kayak, like I said, I use the mackerel rig all the time to catch mackerel or pollock or other bait fish. On the kayak, I tend to just jig it below my kayak at different depths to explore the water column, and I let my kayak float around until I find some mackerel. On this day I caught several mackerel, including this one, which I think is a small bonito mackerel. Unfortunately, my live mackerel on the circle hook did not catch any striped bass, but at least I tried. I think it got tangled in seaweed, and 3 crabs came and ate it. When I pulled it in to check in on it, I had 3 crabs clinging onto it. Here's one of the crabs that's clung on till the end. To put away the sabiki rig, I roll it up around its container and keep it in my fishing crate to be used for the next fishing trip. Mackerel is a very healthy fish because it's high in omega and it's low in mercury. If I do not catch striped bass, I bring home the mackerel for dinner, and we have a few fish dishes that we cook with it. You can check some recipes on the internet from Japan or from Europe. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. If you have any tips on how to use the sabiki rig, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, please check out my fishing playlist on YouTube. Thanks for watching.